Today we're going to the beach with my cousin, Isla and Finn. We're just eating at the moment. I have maple syrup and then pancake and milk. See you at the beach later.
You like it here?
Yeah. Very cool. But it was a long way. You said it was. Look at the beach. Whoa! Look at all the sand. It's pretty hard though. We're here and we're gonna swim soon. This is our cottage where we're gonna be sitting and eating, I think. And I think we're gonna. Can I take off my shoes?
Yeah.
Very quiet here and the beach is clear. Look. Whoa, there's so much shells. Whoa. Oh my god, there's so many. Look. Look how much. Can I have my sand toys now? Can we get our toys? I'm just shoveling a big hole. Then let's shovel here. Oh, okay. I got the big one. Let's see if we can. Hello. I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. Let's go. Mama said life's not bad, but you are the spice. Shake it in your love to make it bubble up. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. No time for sorrow. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. Shake up 'cause we come tomorrow. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. Ain't no fit finish. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. Now you already they try. Oh. Struggles go come, struggles go. Like breeze they blow. But my But yeah.
You having fun?
Okay.
Yeah. Are you having fun? Yeah. Are you having?
Hello guys, I'm buried. I'm buried alive. Ah! Not in my face, okay? Oh, no way. In my heart also. Ah. Mom, look. I found all different kinds of perfect shells. 1,
Let me see this.
2, and 3. Little.
Okay.
I found 3 of them. Oh my god.
Let me see.
Alana, look. I'm buried.
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
Kind of feel heavy, right?
Yeah. Kind of feel a little heavy. Ow.
You got a pillow too.
Like breeze they blow, but my spirit is strong. Don't shake it, not fresh. Oh yeah, shake it, my girl, beating like shake. Get it, not fresh. Oh yeah, shake it, my girl, beating like shake.
I got a shell and a coral, which is weird that has color. I'll just go and find more. Girl, you have 1,000 in your... We're just packing up and we're leaving soon. Just now we're just eating some ice cream.
'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's so Can't wait